Wala pa kang 9 eh. 8 pa lang eh. Sa June pa siya mag-ilanay.
Bakit? Dahil walang age.
Hindi, 8 to 9 ang ano eh. 8 to 10 ang bracket eh.
Alright, in the water is event 31, heat 1 of 4, girls 5, 10, 100 meter backstroke. In lane 1, Yoko Terry from Alpha. In lane 2, Alania
Go, Lauren!
In lane 3, Addison Gray, Bay Club.
Go, Lauren, go!
Alex Keelan, Swim Torrance. In lane 5, Elodie Rocket from... Also, oh, we have two sisters in the... That's cool.
Lauren, go, go!
Alpha. In lane 6, Lauren Lucero, Spartans. In lane 7, Audrey Kim, Swim Torrance.
Go, Lauren,
In lane
go!
8, From Swim Torrance.
Go, Lauren, go!
All right, turn first at the 50, that appears to
Lauren,
be
kick!
Keelan from Swim Torrance. Coming down the middle of the pool.
Kick, Lauren, kick! Go!
All right, under the flags, coming in, wire to wire, your unofficial heat winner, lane 4, Alex Keelan, Swim Torrance.
Hindi nag-stop. Hindi pa.
Ba't di na gano'n? Wala ka.
Siyempre, parang isa